winner, chicken, dinner. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's do it, guys. Thirsty Thursday. Remember what I told you on my channel, how I teach people how to do this. It's very simple. If you follow the location and you learn how to do the grids, you'll be in the winner circle. Because if you're doing just the regular rundown, just like this rundown here, you're not going to get the doubles or the triple numbers. So this is the basic rundown. When everybody starts off, this is how everybody starts off. You're going to learn your rundown. You're going to learn your mirror numbers. You're going to learn your date sum, your hit sum, the location, and the patterns. This is the basic for everybody when they first start. It's that simple. All right, guys? So after you learn this, that's when I could teach you how to do the grids. You're taking the grids from the results. It's that simple. This is coming out of New York, and I'm going to show you how it goes, guys. It's that simple. And anyone that wants to book a one-on-one with me, I'm all booked for tomorrow, for Friday. I'm available for Saturday. Whoever wants to book a one-on-one, I could give you the secrets on doing this. I could teach you the simple tricks that a lot of people are not aware of. I could teach you all the simple tricks. I don't care what state we're doing. It doesn't matter what state we're doing. It's all about patterns and the location, guys, and learning how to do the grids. It's that simple. If you're keeping track of the results in the state that you're in, you're on the right track. You got to keep the results in order. You got to keep your day results in one book, and you got to keep your night results in one book. It's that simple. So if you want to learn it, it's up to you. If you want to learn it, these are the steps that you need to do. You can join my membership here on YouTube, and you can also book a one-on-one. You want to learn the correct way to do this? I'm showing you the correct way to do this. The first step is booking a one-on-one and joining the membership. You have to invest in yourself. You want to learn it? I'm going to show you the tricks on doing this. Yes, very simple. This is my email, and these are the time slots I got available for Saturday. I'm available for Saturday, 3 p.m. and 1 o'clock. Everything else is booked. I'm all booked for tomorrow, for Friday. So it's that simple. My email, or you can leave me a message in my inbox. It's that simple. If you want to book a one-on-one, take it to the next step, guys. Very simple. This is coming out of New York. No, Katora, I haven't checked. I haven't checked my emails yet. So everybody, just remember, when you're doing this, just remember, when you're doing this, you have to learn how to come up with the winning number. I did it, yes, definite. Just remember, when you're doing this, if you're playing in your state and you're playing with this grid here, you're not going to come up with the double number. You're not going to come up with a triple number. So this is why I'm teaching people on how to do this. There's steps to this by looking at the results in your state, and it's that simple. Yes, anybody from New York, anyone from New York, very simple. I'm going to show you how it's working in New York. Yes, anybody that wants to book a one-on-one with me, this live is going to go up as a video. You can message me. It's that simple. So New York, are you following the results in your state? Are you following? Anybody from New York, ask yourself, are you following the results on what they're giving you in your state? Yes, I'm going to do New York. Then I'm going to do North Carolina. I'm going to do North Carolina today. Very simple. I'm going to finish New York, then I'm going to do North Carolina. So now everybody, can anybody tell me the results yesterday in New York? Daytime and nighttime. What was the results for New York? January 22nd, daytime and nighttime. It got to make sense when you're doing this. It got to make sense. So Daytime and nighttime. Daytime, correct. So Margaret, let's go over it. Everybody that's watching, I want you to go over it. Do you see the 2-1-2 touching the corner pairs? Do you see that? Are the numbers touching the corner pairs? Now, at night for New York, did they give you 9-1-2? At night, touching the corner pairs? What's up, Mom Dukes? How you doing? So now, what was the winning number for today for New York? Every number that I'm showing you is touching the corner pairs. You know what's the most important number here? Is this number here. How do I develop these grids to come up with these winning patterns? So does anybody see the winning number touching the corner pairs right off the 2-1-2? We're doing day with day. 2-1-2. Do you see the 9-1-1? Yes. So does everybody understand that? How the numbers are always attached. If you got the right grid, you're going to be in the winner circle. Developing it, yes, developing the grid, this is what pushes you to the winning numbers. Because these numbers are all patterns, guys. You don't see, I'm just showing you 2-1-2, 9-12, 9-11. You think that's a coincidence? All the numbers are attached to each other? You think it's a coincidence how every number's attached and they all touching the corner pairs? So does it make any sense? I want someone to tell me the top number. This is why I tell everybody you need to book a one-on-one with me. If you want to learn it, if you want to invest in yourself, you want to learn it, I can show you and start, because it's a process. You gotta, if you're really determined that you really want to learn how to come up with the grids, you gotta put in your work. You gotta write down the results. You gotta write down the date. You gotta see what numbers they given in your state. How you doing, Thomas? I want to teach everybody to do this, because if you learn it, you're happy, you're going to tell other people about me. Just remember that. Just like how I learned it, whoever's watching, you can learn it too. What makes me different from you? I learned it, you can learn it too. But you got to put in the work. CC! Yes! Congratulations! Yes, CC is part of the group that I'm in the daytime. CC, yeah, there's people here that's in the group. Katora, anyone that can vouch for me on the work that I do. They can vouch for me. Do I put people in the winner circle? Do I put the people, or I just mislead people and just send people in a wild goose chase? So read what people are saying, people. Yes, just know that the Lotto King has been doing this for years. So if you want to learn it, Deborah, how are you? So look, this is what I'm going to do. This is New York. I'm going to do North Carolina. I'm going to do North Carolina right now. I'm going to do North Carolina. Anybody here from North Carolina? Thank you, CC. Winner, chicken, dinner. Boston, how are you? Mad love. Yo, listen, whoever's giving love to me, I got mad love for you too. Just remember that. I got mad love for people that got love for me, because I got love for everybody. So everybody, I'm gonna do North Carolina. Look. North Carolina, I'm gonna do, look, 1, 6, 6. Does everybody understand? Anybody here from North Carolina? Thomas, what's up, Thomas? Does anybody? We're doing daytime for North Carolina. Can anybody tell me the winning numbers for North Carolina so you can see? Yes. There's people that are accelerating in my group, and they doing great. They winning. There's a lot of people in my group accelerating. They're going full speed ahead, and they winning. A lot of people are winning. Yes. CC, yes. Congratulations to you and your mother. Definite. Mad love. So North Carolina. How you doing, North Carolina? What was the winning numbers for? If this is a pick 3, I need the last 3 results from your state in North Carolina. Daytime. 9/13. What came out the day before? Daytime. Yes, 9/13. What came? We doing only daytime. Daytime. 5/86. Thank you. I appreciate you. So one more. So these are the day results. 5/86, 8/45. So this is the winning number for today, no? Is this the winning number for North Carolina today? 9/13. Thank you, CC, mad love. So anybody from North Carolina, this is the day number. So now, look, I just took this random number. Why? This number here, look at the number that came out today and look at the grid. Look at it. So the 3, how many numbers you see here? Three. You see the 1? Now the 9. If you flip the 6, what is it? So now, there you go. So now I'm going to do the grid. Look, so everybody can see it. Where's the corner pairs here? What numbers are matching? Are these numbers matching on the corners? Are these matching? Are these corner pairs, 1 and 6? Are they in the same family? Look, I'm going to write it out just in case anybody doesn't understand it. I'm going to show you. These are your mirror numbers. Are these numbers matching? Yes, 1, 6, corner pairs. So now this is what I'm going to do. You're going to count 3, 1, and 7. Ready? Look. 4, 7, 0, 3, 6. The 1 is the 6. You stop there. 6, you got to count down. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 is the 1. You got to count 7. 6 and 7. 13. In lotto math, you're only taking the right-hand number. 6 and 7 is the 3, 0, 7, 4, 1. The 1 is the 6. Do you see the day number for your state today? Look, these are the corner pairs. Do you see the winning number, North Carolina, touching the corner pairs? So we got straight, V, and L. Does North Carolina see the winning number, top and bottom? Does anybody see it? Off this grid here I just showed you. Does anybody see the day number today in North Carolina? James, you see, yeah, James? So you see it here. 9, 3, 1, correct? Are they touching the corner pairs? Okay, now let's work our way up. 9, 3, 1. So what's this number here? 8, 4, 6. What's the mirror to 846? Yes. What's 846? 846. There you go. So I just showed you from the bottom of the corner pair, 931, to the top, 648, corner pair coming down, 931. Top and bottom, touching. Touching top and bottom, guys. So now, let's continue. Let's stay at the bottom. What's the mirror to 586? This is the number that came out the day before. What's the mirror to that? This came out today. This came out yesterday. Do you see the 301 at the bottom? Do you see it touching the corner pairs? Is it far away? See it at the bottom? Is a lot of numbers or is just... Okay, now, we did that one. Now, what's the mirror to 845? Let's go top and bottom. So what I just finished showing you, are all the numbers attached? Are all the numbers attached? I just showed you, day with day. 845 is the 390. 586 is 301. And today's number, 931. Is that a lot of numbers? Is that a lot of numbers touching the corner pairs? Is this a lot of numbers that you gotta... James. So this is why I try to tell everybody. If you always listen, this is how I learned it, listening. I listened to the person that taught me this. I listen, pay attention. If you follow, I guarantee you can learn it. What's the most important number here out of this whole thing? What's the most important number? What gave me these numbers here? Thank you. Boston. There you go. This is the most important number here. See that number up here? You see it? So now, what do you see here? We all doing it together as a team. How many times you're seeing the same numbers? Look at it. 3 and 9. What is this? Look at the numbers. 3 and 1. Is this 3 and 1 over here? 3 and 1. If you mirror these numbers, are these the same numbers? 1 and 3, that's today's number. Look at the numbers. What's this number here? What numbers is this? If you mirror the 86, what is it? Thomas, I want you to learn it. I'm showing everybody so you can learn it. So that's the 31. So that's the 31, correct? This is the neutral number. Look at it, 31, 31. Look at the numbers. When you're playing this, look, the neutral number here. Is the 9 is the same number? The 5 is the neutral numbers. Is that 4 the 9? This is what I look at when I play. This is what I look at. This is why you want to learn how to do it. I'm showing you the right way to do it. You want to just guess? Go right ahead and guess. I'm showing you the correct way to do this. The neutral numbers are the 5. These are the results in your state. The neutral numbers are the 5. 5. So now, the correct way to do this is the number that came out today. What's the number that came out before the 845 in the daytime? James, what was the number? So we got 586, 845. What number came out before this number? Daytime. So you can see what I'm talking about. The results will give you the winning number. the winning number would be right in front of your face every day. So 2, 3, 4. So let's do it together. 3, 4, 2. These numbers are not the same. These two numbers. Look at the numbers. Look at the numbers. The numbers are telling you what they're going to give you. Look at the past 3 results. Does it make sense to play the 913 today? Thomas, this is why I tell everybody, don't listen to me. Look at the results in your state. They telling you what they're going to give you. Don't listen to me. Listen to the results. Look at it. I'm going to write it again because it looks like nobody can see it. 586, 845, and 342. They're not the same numbers? Look at it. 84, 84. The neutral numbers are the 5. Look at it. The same freaking numbers. 8, the 4. So they gave you, they were already telling you what they was going to give you. Look, 8, this is the 4, that's the 9. Look at it, that's the 9. If you flip the 6, that's the 9. So that's 9, 3. Look at it. So 86 is what? What's the mirror to 86? Right in your living room. Yes. What's the flip to 86? The 31. So 31, the neutral number don't mean nothing. So look at the numbers. 31, what's this? 3, that's the 9. So you think it made sense to play 931? Come on. The results, guys, every time like today in New York, they've been giving you what? 12 and 12. They gave you 212. They gave you 912. They gave you 12 and 12. What they was going to give you today, this is what I tell everybody. This is what they do. They always go minus or -2 or -1. So what they give you, 912, now they give you 911. This is what they do, guys. It's all patterns. And I could teach anybody in the little shortcuts. You want a shortcut? I could teach you the shortcuts. But it starts with paying attention on the state that you in. Whatever state you in, you ask yourself, what state I'm in? How many times does the drawing come out? North Carolina has day and night. So what you got to do, keep track on the results. Does that make sense to keep track on what they're doing? Yes, Alfredo, I'm just using this one because the 730, when you're doing this, like in New York, they gave you a double in the daytime yesterday, and they gave you a double today. With this grid here, you were not able to get the double with this grid. Last week in New York, they gave you the 777s. With this grid, you would never get the 777s. I'm just trying to show you, when you're doing this grid right here is good for plain numbers. It doesn't have the corner pass. It's fantastic. But if you want to learn how to win the doubles, the triple numbers, these grids that I developed by the results, yes, this is how you do it. Simple. Simple, 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 guys. Simple. Just remember that. When you're doing this, always try to make sense of it when you're doing it. Yes, always. Look at it. This was the day number today for New York. 911, corner pairs. Yesterday in the daytime. We're doing day with day. What came out the day before? CC, if yesterday was 212, today was 911. What came out before in New York? Yes, before in the daytime. Whatever you invest your money in, this is your money. I don't care if you're playing $1, 50 cents, $100. You want to know where your money is going at. That's why I tell everybody, when you invest your money in this, make sure it makes sense. So what's the mirror to 087? So we're doing day with day, guys. So 087 came out. There you go. So let's start it. You see it down here? 523. You ready? Daytime. Yesterday, daytime. So look, it's going up. Follow it. 523. Yeah, yes, 2 days ago. Daytime. Now, yesterday was right off the 532. 212. Follow it. So you see how it makes sense? Yes, 532. That's the 870. What's the next number? 212. What's the next number? 911. Guys, it's that simple. Just by following what they're giving you. Very simple. I'm going to give everybody a simple trick. When you're playing the 0, you got to play the 5. The 5 and the 0 are the neutral numbers. If you're playing the 6, you got to play the 9. The 9 brings the 6 brings the 9. The 5 is the neutral numbers. If you're playing 730, you got to play 735. If you're playing 125, you got to play 120. Those are the neutral numbers. So everybody that wants to know, this is what I teach everybody. I guarantee you, if you learn this, it's been many times you've played the number and they'll give it to you. Say you played 940 and they'll give you 945. You're not aware that those are the neutral numbers. If you're playing 940, you have to play 945. Why? The 0 and the 5 are the neutral numbers. Correct. Everybody, happy Thirsty Thursday to everybody. Everybody that's on this live, you guys are blessed. Everybody's up. We're breathing. We're talking. Everybody's here is blessed. Everyone here. Everybody, yes. We all here on a live. We're talking. We're learning. I'm willing. This is me. I'm willing to learn from anybody. That's me. That's why I grow. Because I'm a listener. I'm not a person that's a stubborn person. I'm willing to listen to people. If you got information to me, teach me. I want to learn it. Those are the people that grow. The ones that listen. The ones that don't listen, they stay behind, the back of the class. Yes, always. So everybody, if you want to learn this, I can show you. You could book a one-on-one with me. Very simple. I could do your state if you're from Florida, California, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Texas. Whatever state you want me to do, it's all the same thing, people. It's all the same thing. It doesn't matter what state. My state is harder than yours. It's all about patterns. If you're following the results, this is the key you have to understand when you're doing this. Keep track on what you're investing. If you're going to do this, do it the correct way. Write down the results. Keep track of it. Just remember that anybody can learn this. What makes you different from me and me to you? I learned it, you can learn it too. But the difference is I was determined to learn it. So if you're determined to learn it, you got to put in that work. If you put in that work and you're determined to learn it, I promise you're going to learn it. But if you're just slacking off, just give me the winning number and that's it, you're not going to learn nothing. Yeah, CC, Virginia's in the house. Dorothy, how are you? Cleveland. So Cleveland Williams, I appreciate you. When you have a chance, email me. I would love to discuss that here. This is not my platform. This is owned by YouTube. Certain things, that's their guidelines. You cannot say certain things here. Yeah, so if you're interested, you already know. When you have a chance, when it's good for you, you can message me. So whoever's interested, nice to meet you. Just remember this. You're going to see me tomorrow, next week. This is what I do. It's not that you're going to see me once and you're going to see me again. This is what I do every day. I go to sleep talking numbers and I wake up talking numbers. This is what I do. I have merchandise that I sell. You could click on my bio on TikTok. You could click on it. Yes, I have hoodies, coffee mugs. This is what I do. I do it on TikTok Instagram, YouTube, and on Facebook. This is what I do. It's not that you're going to see me, oh, he just skipped town. No, this is what I do. Thirsty Thursday. What's up, baby? How you doing? I will. Just remember, whatever's good for you, you let me know when you're ready to do it. I'm not going nowhere. This is what I do every day. My objective is to teach you, because if you do good, you're going to tell other people about me. That's the business I give. I teach you, you're happy, you're going to tell other people about me. That's my MO, to teach people, so if you grow, I grow. Yes, everybody always remember, winner, winner. My voice is gone. This is why I tell people, I put a lot of work into this every day. And I do it for you guys, for the community, for the people that want to learn it. Yes. I always do the right thing. That's why the right thing always happens to me. Do the right thing. I promise you, you're going to go far. You're going to learn it. I promise you. I promise you. So whoever wants to learn it, I don't care what state. Kenny, how are you, Kenny? From South Carolina. In South Carolina, are you keeping track of the results? I haven't checked. Grilled chicken dinner. Yes, everybody, I appreciate everybody for being on the live. What I come on this live is to show you what I'm offering. It's a simple yes or no. This is what I do. If you're not interested, I'll still say hello to you. Nice to meet you. But this is what I do. I teach people the lottery. Pick 3. I could put you closer and I'll teach you the right way. Very simple. I could teach you everything about this. I've been doing this for over 6-7 years already. South Carolina. Kenny Ken. I can't do South Carolina. Again, the way I do it, I do state by state. I did New York and I did North Carolina, showing people that the way I do it is by the results and by the date. So if you want, this live here is going to go up as a video, and look at it. You could actually look at the information. You could book a one-on-one. You become a member, invest in yourself. If you're really interested in learning this, you already know what you got to do. Simple. I don't have to say anything else. If you're not interested, nice to meet you. But if you're interested in learning it, you already know what you got to do. Book a one-on-one, join, come join, invest in yourself, learn it. After you learn it, I promise you, you're going to do great. You're going to get all your money back, whatever you invest in yourself. Remember, you're important. Everyone that's watching, everyone deserves it. If you want to learn it, invest it. If you don't want to do it, I can't tell you anything. I'm just telling you the correct way to do this. Whoever enjoys doing this. Yes, definitely. I'm gonna go make me a tea. My voice is gone. This is what I do all day. This is why I tell everybody here and on my group, I do a lot. Take care of the Lotto King, because he does this for himself and for you guys to learn this, to make money. Thank you, CC, always. Everybody, enjoy your Thirsty Thursday. Whoever's interested, you can watch the video. Just remember, there's stuff to this. If you learn the rundown, you learn your mirror numbers, your date sum, your hit sum, the locations and the patterns, you on your way. Jimmy, it's up to you. Jimmy, if you don't want to invest in yourself, it's fine. If you're not interested, this is not cut out for everybody. Nice to meet you. If you don't want to do it, if that's an issue, maybe this is not for you. But anybody, just remember, I appreciate everybody. Enjoy your evening. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. This is Numbers with Dave, the Lotto King. and I'm out. Have a good evening. Whoever has any questions, this live here is going to go up as a video. You can email me and you can have all your questions, yes, resolved. Just simple. Just email me and book a one-on-one with me, and I'm out, guys.